Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to apply different mathematical operations on the given fractional numbers. Our first question is solve 7 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 5 plus 3 by 2. So we have three questions. We'll go one by one. So first is 7 by 10 plus 2 divided by 5 plus 3 by 2. So here we have three different fractional numbers and we have to add all the three different fractional numbers. So we know the condition that if you want to add the fraction, the denominator should be same. So it should be a like fraction. But if you see here, all the three denominators are different. So to make the denominator common, we have to take LCM. So the LCM of the denominator numbers 10, 5 and 2 are 10. So now we'll see how to make this denominator 10 for all the three fractional numbers. So the first number is 7 by 10, which is already we have 10 in the denominator. So we can multiply 1 divided by 1 or we can keep it as such. The second number is 2 divided by 5. So we want to make the denominator to be 10. So how to do this? So here we have 5 in the denominator. So if you multiply 2 with 5, we will get 10. So if you multiply 2 with the denominator, you have to multiply the same number with the numerator. So with this fractional number 2 divided by 5, we are multiplying and dividing by 2. So 2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the second one. So 2 into 2 is 4, divided by 5 into 2 is 10. So we'll get 4 divided by 10. Now we'll go for the third part, that is 3 divided by 2. So we want to make this 2 as 10. So we have to multiply it with 5. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 5. So 3 into 5 will give you 15. And then 2 into 5 will give you 10. So the fractional number is 15 divided by 10. So now if you see all the three fractional numbers, we have 10 in the denominator. So it is a common denominator or like fraction. We can add the numerator to find the sum. See, if you see here, 4 divided by 10 and 5 divided by 15 divided by 10. These two are equivalent fractions of the given fraction. So the given fraction is not altered. So now we will add the numerators. So 7 plus 4 plus 15 is 26 divided by 10. So 26 divided by 10 can be further simplified as 13 divided by 5. Our next example is 2 divided by 3 plus 3 1 divided by 2. So now if you see the question, this is a mixed fraction. So we want to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction first. So before we are going to add. So how we will convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? We have to multiply this denominator number with this whole. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 8 divided by 3 plus, again this 2 into 3 is 6 plus this numerator 1 will be 7 divided by 2. So now we want to add these two fractions. So to add these two fractions, we should make the denominator as common or same. So how to do this? We have to take LCM of this. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we want to make the denominator term as 6 so that we can have common denominator and we can add the numerator. Now we'll see how to make this denominator as 6. So here the first fraction is 8 divided by 3. So if you multiply by 2, you will make the denominator as 6. So multiply the numerator with 2 and the denominator with 2. So 8 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 plus, if you go for the next term, it is 7 divided by 2. So now what you will do, you have to multiply with 3. So 7 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. So 8 into 2 is 16 divided by 3 into 2 is 6 plus 7 into 3 is 21 divided by 2 into 3 is 6. So now the denominator is same. We can add the numerator. So 16 plus 21 divided by 6. That's nothing but 37 divided by 6. So now since our given fraction is a mixed fraction, we can convert this 37 divided by 6 into a mixed fraction number. That is 6. 1 divided by 6. If you see here, 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1 is 37 divided by 6. We'll get the same answer. Next example is 8 1/2 minus 3 5/8. So 8 1/2 and 3 5/8 both are mixed fraction. So our first step is we want to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So how will you convert 8 into this whole, that is 16, plus this numerator 1. So it is 17 divided by 2 minus 8 times 3 is 24 plus 5 will be 29 divided by 8. Now the denominators are different, so we cannot subtract directly. We have to take LCM of this denominator 2 and 8. So LCM of this denominator 2 and 8 is 8. We want to make this denominator number as 8. So first fraction is 17 divided by 2. We want to make this 2 into 8. So we have to multiply and divide by 4. So 17 into 4 divided by 2 into 4 minus. So here we have already 8. So we can keep it as such, 29 divided by 8. Now 17 into 4 is 68 divided by 8 minus 29 divided by 8. So now the 8 denominator is common. We can write it separately and we can subtract the numerator. So 68 minus 29 divided by 8. 68 minus 29 is 39 divided by 8. So thus 8 1/2 minus 3 5/8 is 39 divided by 8. Since our given question is a mixed number, we can also convert this improper fraction 39 divided by 8 as a mixed fraction, that is 4 7 divided by 8. So 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39 divided by 8. So our answer is same. So next example is, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So what is given? A magic square is given. We want to check whether it is a magic square. So what is the condition given is, all the numbers, that is sum of all the rows, all the columns and all the diagonals should give the same number. So whether we'll check all the sum so that we can finalize that the given is a magic square. First we will sum the first row. 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. See here, if you see all the denominators are same, so it's a like fraction. We can add the numerator directly. So 4 plus 9 plus 2 is 15 divided by 11. So in the same way, we can take the second row. 3 divided by 11 plus 5 divided by 11 plus 7 divided by 11. So we can add directly. So we'll get 15 divided by 11. So sum of third row is 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So which is also 15 divided by 11. So first row satisfies our condition. All the three rows satisfies our condition. Now we'll add all the columns. So first column is 4 divided by 11 plus 3 divided by 11 plus 8 divided by 11. So it will give you 15 divided by 11. Then second column is 9 divided by 11 plus 5 divided by 11 plus 1 divided by 11, which also gives you 15 divided by 11. Third column, 2 divided by 11 plus 7 divided by 11 plus 6 divided by 11. So if you add all these things, you will get 15 divided by 11. So all the three columns also gives you the same answer. So row is satisfied, column satisfied. Now we'll see the diagonals. Diagonals means this cross, you know that now. 4, 5 and 6. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 divided by 11. So first diagonal is also satisfied. Then we'll see the next diagonal, this diagonal. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15 divided by 11. So this diagonal is also satisfied. So row satisfied, all the columns satisfied, both the diagonals also satisfied, because we are getting the same result, 15 divided by 11. So since all the sum of the fractions in rows, columns and diagonals are same, we can conclude that the given square is a magic square. Hope you have understood how to perform addition and subtraction of a fractional numbers. Thank you for watching this video.